Hello and welcome to the Arsenal MKG lead generation and CRM software specifically for realtors. Now, our goal is we want to help you generate your first 5 to 10 leads within the next 7 days, and I want to show you how to get everything set up within the next 5 minutes. Now, to make this happen, we need to do 3 key things before we can actually start generating these leads. So the first thing is we need to connect our Facebook account to Arsenal. And we've made this all super simple. I'm going to show you in this video how to make that happen. And then the second thing is to be able to create a Facebook lead form ad. And we've simplified that whole process for you as well. The targeting, I'll walk you through that in just a second. And then third, we want to download the Arsenal MKG mobile app so that anytime a new lead comes in, you can get an instant lead notification right here on your mobile phone. And then anytime a lead responds to one of the automated follow-up text messages, you can have two-way texting with every single one of your leads, even if you're on the go on an appointment or whatever. So let's dive into this. First, we're going to connect our Facebook account. Second, create a Facebook lead form ad. And then third, download the Arsenal mobile app. So once you first log on to your Arsenal account, you're going to see the dashboard looks just like this. You're going to see your hottest leads, newest leads, next appointments, all this basic info right here. All you got to do is come over here and see where it says connect to your social accounts to start generating leads. Just click on that and you've got the Facebook icon, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google. Our main concern right here is we want to connect Facebook. So we're going to click on connect Facebook, and then this is going to connect our account. It's going to send us to Facebook. It says continue as Jason Wardrop. I'm just going to click continue, and then you want to select the pages. I would just select all pages. I have a lot of pages because I do this for a living day in, day out. So you just want to have select all pages. We're going to click next. And then we want to allow Social Connect. Social Connect is basically the Arsenal app that communicates with Facebook. And you want to allow Social Connect to access all this data, because then we can pull the leads into the Arsenal system, send automated follow-ups, do a lot of cool things. So we're just going to click on done right here. It says you've now linked Social Connect to Facebook. So we'll just click OK right here. And then this will send us back to our Arsenal dashboard. You can see this is now highlighted. Okay, so step number 1, we're done. We've already gone through, we've connected everything that we need to. So step number 2 is we now want to create a Facebook lead form ad. All right, so all we got to do is come over here to the ads tab right here. And this is basically going to be able to go through and display an ad that is showing to people in our target market that are looking to buy or sell their home. Okay, so all we got to do is come over here and click on create ad. All right, so click on create ad, and it's going to say first, do you have a listing to market, or does someone in your office have one that you can use? Okay, so if you have a listing, these are the best performing campaigns as far as lead generation goes. Okay, and if you don't have a listing or no one in your office has a listing, don't worry, you can click no as well. But for this example, let's say you have a listing, and the cool thing about this is it's just going to walk you through step by step on setting everything up, even if you have no experience with Facebook ads, no tech skills, anything whatsoever. So let me just show you how this works. We're just going to click on yes, and then we're going to give it a campaign name. Now, I usually like to name it whatever my address is for my listing. So I'm just going to say 123 Main Street, and then coming down here, you're just going to say choose the Facebook ad account you wish to use, and I'm just going to choose my own Facebook ad account. Okay, and then right here, find the Facebook page you wish to use. Now, if you haven't ever created a Facebook business page, you'll need to do that. But if you do, all you got to do is just click right here and just start typing the name of your Facebook page. Okay, so we got this Jason Wardrop real estate business marketing. I'm going to select that right there. And then your website. If you have a website URL, I would throw that in right there. If you don't have a website URL, you can throw in the URL to your Facebook page. So for this example, I'm just going to use our main arsenalmkg.com website. I'm going to throw that in right there. Your privacy policy URL. So once again, if you have a privacy policy, if you have a website, just throw this in right there. If you don't, this is like a this is something that Facebook needs. And so if you don't, all you got to do is if you have a Facebook page, it also works if you just throw in your Facebook page URL. Okay, so now we're going to get into the details of this listing. Okay, so find your city. So like let's say that this listing is in the Phoenix area. Okay, so we're going to type in Phoenix, and then you'll see down here I'm getting a pre-fill right there, Phoenix, Arizona, and then the listing address 123 Main Street. And the cool thing is all we have to do is enter this information just once, and this is going to help auto create the Facebook ad, the email and text marketing follow-up, the lead form, everything. So you just do this once and then the system automatically creates everything for you. Okay, so now this listing, what is the listing price? We'll say it is $450,000, and it's got 4 beds, it's got 3 baths. And then this is the only part where you maybe want to spend a little bit of time writing the awesome features about this home. Like, does it have a pool, stainless steel appliances, vaulted ceilings? What are the cool things about this home? So I would go through, write 1 to 2 paragraphs in this area right here of going through, and I'm just gonna put in here just for sake of time, vaulted ceilings, pool, awesome backyard. Okay, now this is just like a description of any listing that you've gone through and written up for, realtor.com, the MLS or whatever it might be, and then choose an image of the home. Okay, so now we're gonna go through, and I like to do an exterior image of the home. So let's just choose this untitled design, this one right here. So now we've gone through, we've chosen our Facebook ad account, the Facebook business page, our website, all the information on this listing. We've got the image of the listing right here, and we just hit next. And guys, this is gonna auto create everything for us. This is made so simple. So we come over here and you've got the Facebook ad preview, and it's filled in everything. So new listing in the Phoenix area, 4 beds, 3 baths. Click here to get price, location, plus more pictures. And then you can see right here, this is where I put in the information about that listing. And if you need to tweak anything here, if you're like, oh yeah, it also has a 3-car garage or whatever it is, you can easily tweak and edit any part of this Facebook ad right here. So you got beautiful home in the Phoenix area, or beautiful home in Phoenix, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath home in Phoenix. So this is all pre-created. All you have to do at this point is choose your daily budget to go and spend on advertising to be able to show this ad to people in your specific area to be able to start generating those leads. We've already done all of the targeting on the back end. You don't have to worry about any of that. So we usually like to recommend $10 per day to start out. If you don't have a budget of $10 per day, no problem, don't worry about it. But you can easily come down, let's say like $5 a day or whatever it is. But I highly recommend starting out $10 per day, and then we come down here and click finish. Okay, so this is gonna go through, communicate with Facebook, and it's gonna automatically create this Facebook lead form ad, the lead form, be able to capture this. And then look at this right here. This is the lead form we just created. You can see it's pending review. It's created on November 1st, 2019. And then the cool thing also is we already have all of these follow-ups automatically created. So if we click on the follow-ups right here, we've got this instant email that's gonna be sending out, an instant text message anytime a new lead comes in, the instant text message, a text message going out the next day. And if you want to come in here and let's say we want to customize the text message, we can easily do that, and then we'll just hit publish right there. And then this first email, this is going to auto-populate with the lead's first name. It's going to auto-populate with the listing address, the listing price, everything. All you might want to do is come in here and say, hey, view of all photos of the home, add a link right here to the MLS listing of the home, or if you've got it on your website or something like that, throw that link in right here. But everything else is pre-created, pre-done for you. And this follow-up is for an entire 360 days. Now, once we have our follow-up the way we like it, what we need to do is make sure that Arsenal is communicating with Facebook. So we need to quickly click on this lead pages tab right here and click on create your first lead page. And then we can skip over all this, just scroll down to the bottom, and you can see the Facebook page lead ad. Now we need to choose the Facebook page that we created the lead ad from. So that was the Jason Wardrop Real Estate Business Marketing. So we just click on that. It says capture leads from the lead ads on page Jason Wardrop. Yes, and that is all you have to do right there. So that's just gonna make sure that Facebook is properly communicating with Arsenal. And then Facebook just made a recent change, recent update, which we're working on automating all this for you. But in the meantime, all we got to do is come over here to the Facebook Ads Manager. And if we hit refresh, it'll show that campaign that we just created. Okay, so right here, this 123 Main Street campaign, you can see it's in review. All we have to do is come over here and hover over this name, and we click on edit right here. And then we need to check this box right here. It says special ad category. I'm creating a campaign for ads in a special ad category, which includes housing. So we just check that. And then for the ad category, we click on housing. So ads for real estate listings, homeowners insurance, mortgage loans, or other related opportunities. We just click on that and we hit publish, and that's it. Okay, so then once this campaign goes live, what we want to do is we want to give this about 3 to 4 days for Facebook to optimize the algorithm and everything. And at that point, you should start seeing leads coming in within the next few days. Now, the third and final thing is we need to pull up our mobile phone, whether you use iPhone, Android, doesn't really matter what device you have. And inside the App Store, search for Arsenal MKG and download the mobile app. Now, the big reason why you want to have the mobile app on your phone is because anytime a new lead comes in through this Facebook lead format that we just created, you will get an instant lead notification. So if you're out and about, if you're at your kid's soccer game, an appointment showing, whatever it is, you'll get a lead notification. And then anytime a lead responds to one of these follow-up text messages, you will also get an automated follow-up text right here of that lead's response. So you can have that two-way texting with that lead at no additional cost. So anyway, guys, make sure you go through and connect your Arsenal account to Facebook up here. Number 2, click on the ads tab, create that Facebook lead format. And then number 3, download the mobile app, and you'll be on your way to generate your next 5 to 10 leads within your first 7 days. Right? So thank you so much. And if you do have any questions ever, don't ever hesitate to reach out. Down here is our live chat. We've got Denise, we've got Lauren, we've got Taylor, we've got Zan, Devin. We have so many people on support to be able to help you with your account. So if you ever have any questions, just click on new conversation right here, and we're here to help you out. So with that said, guys, I will see you in the next training.